42-27. Favor of White. Mark, 2 points on the side. Tatlong na yan nyo. Tingin sa camera. Yeah. Fred, pass to Bruce. Pass to Mike. Pass to Fred on the side. Yes, sir. 2 points. Loretto. Works. Rebound back. Boy. Pass to Works. Boy. Pass to Mark. Merv, rebound. White ball. Loretto, take on the 3, on the corner. No good, rebound back. Oh, no, still right down. Down. Pass to Moy, pass to the back. I'm so sorry. Hey, ref. I see that. Merv. Yeah. Woo. Barako. Silhouette daw, silhouette. Itinadal. Kuya Jan. Pass to Loretto. Jan, ba't natitira yung 3 points? Kaya na din. Works. Pass to Jan. Pass to Moy. Pass to Mark. Oh! Tinignan! Anak ng Terry, no? Kala ko pasok na binubot na eh. Fred, on the middle. Yes, sir. 2 points by Fred. 33-44. 11 points lead by White. Works. Pass to Moy. Pass to Mark. Pass to Jan. Pass to Moy. Pass to Works. Wala. Iba ba Mike? Merv. Oh! Foul! Loretto. Ba't pinapacheck ni Pad yung tulog mo? Fred. Dax. Tumig si Dax. Pinasa kay Mike sa gitna. Pinasa kay Gilbert on 3. No, lupay boy. Loretto. Tumingin sa 3 points. Hindi pa. Wala. Black ball. Last shot, Mark. Merv. 33-44. Merv, pass to Dax. Ilalim. Ang sarap nun. Dax 2 points. Moy. 35-44. Favor of White. Loretto. Shot, no good by Dax. Pass to Mark. To Merv. Works. Rebound Dax. Saber. Mandatory sub. Mandatory sub. Get in. Get in, get in. Get in, get in, get in, get in. Nurse. Sumaksak sa si Mike. Tumira. Wala. Naribag di Noel. Gino. Pass to Moino. Pass to Ryan. Balik si Ryan. Sinasabi na, wilis na ko. Ang pasa ko. Assist. Nakalista na. Merv. Ano ito? Still by Merv. Sumalaksak sa gitna. Wala. Iba ba Mike? Mike. Number 21. Mike again. Merv. Pass to Merv. Gilbert for 3. Pass to Sean. Mahal pa. Thirty-six 45. Roll the corner. 48-35. 14 minutes and 30 seconds. Merv. Tumira ng 3. Wow! Bago yun ah.
48-38.
48-38. 10 points lead by White. Gino. Ano mo, pass to one. Ako, kinapos. Last touch mo. Black ball, black ball. Mike. Rebound on Mike. Ryan, pumukul ng 3. Hindi tumama sa ring. Uulit ka pa ba? Foul well. Number 22.
Nakalista na yun.
12 minutes. 48-38. 10 points. Sumalaksak sa gitna sa Lord. Si Toki on the 3. Yes, sir! Kyrie! Kyrie ng Pinoy.
41.
Nakatawa si Glenn. Baka sabi kay Kyrie ito, no? Works for 3. No good. Rebound Gino. Pass to Roy. Foul! Ayun! Foul number 2. Yeah, foul number 2, Mike. 50-41, 9 points. Huh? Mike, you got third foul. Mike is third foul. Bonus shot. Yes, sir. 10 points. Murph, sumalaksak sa gitna. Si Bird. White ball. Gino. No good. Wow, Kyrie. Good. Number 21. Number 4. Saber. Ryan out. Ryan, nilabas ka na. Tumira ka ng 3 points eh. Hindi tumama sa ring. No shot, point on block. Foul. Moy Moy, three. No good. Yes, sir. Right, two. Who's foul, left? Who's foul? Birds. Foul, Birds. Stop, left. Stop. Stop.
And one yun, no?
Fred, si Mike, 3 foul na yun. Si Mike, 3 foul.
Gino, body shot, no good. Bird. Bird. Mike. To Bird. Yes, sir. Silhouette.
Mga pa, si Mike.
53, 43. Moy Moy for three. No good. Rebound well. Mark. Pass to Moy Moy. Pass to Loretto. Loretto say. Loretto.
Right, you're good.
Mark. Wala. Rebound by Dex. 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 Gilbert with three. Yes, sir. 46 for 53. Labor of War.
Oh, ano yan?
Time out, boy.
Ayan, ayan.
Time out, boy. Seven point lead now.
Apa?
7-point lead. 7 minutes and 33 seconds left in the ball game.
Ayos kayo. Tigisa kayo. Tangin na ako kanina, tigisa ako.
Yeah.
Tigisa ako, tigisa lang. Palipat-lipat agad mo. Tangin na, dalawa pa kayo.
Ba't tayo mag-win ka?
Kailangan communicate kayo sa score na. Dito, para hindi na dito. Pag sino pag-score dito, score dito.
Back to the ball game. Moy Moy. Moy Moy. Pass to Loretto. Back to the ball game. Pass to Bird. Pass to Mike on the corner. Miss. Loretto. Miss. Foul. Who's foul? Number 88 supports. Who's foul? 93. Works. Works foul. Dax. Dax. Tumira ulit. Rebound, Loretto. Loretto. Moy Moy, pass to Loretto. Pass to Kuya John. John, pass to Loretto. To make the three. Afterwards, Loretto on the drive, 5-3. Yes, sir. 46-56, 10 points again. Alfred, pass to Mike. To Gilbert. Moy, tuloy na 3. Tapos.
Pero dapat travel na yun. Kailan niya kung gusto niya. Ngayon nakita mo ba yun?
White ball. 5 minutes and 9 seconds, 46-56. Table point. Loretto, corner. Pass to Mark. Pass to Moy. Pass to Wood. Tidak. Tumira libre. 48-56. Loretto.
Ano mo?
Oh! Tingin sa camera, tingin sa camera. Gilbert. Moy. Nice. That was nice play. That's a good play. Kuya Kai, alam ko na tutukutin mo yan. Works. Moy. Yes sir, nice assist by Works. Nakalis pa na yun. 60-48, 12 points. Si Merv. Pass to hindi pwede. Veteran siya ito. Veteran. Wow! Nice good shot. That's foul. Who's foul, ref? Loretto foul. Who's shot? First shot. Ooh. Second shot. Yes, sir. Works. 9 points. Myself again, 9 points. Loretto. Yes, sir. Last 2 minutes. Broke the ball. Ball. Last 2 minutes. It's good. 64-51. Wala po tayong shot. Gilbert. No good. Kanya po rin. Pinasa kayo rin ng layup. Yes, sir. Si Merv, wala pa rin. 1 minute and 16 seconds. Pass to Moy. Yes, sir. gusto niya ng pistol, ha? Wala, malas. Ball, sa ball game. Ito the ball game. Thank you guys. Have a good night.
No, that's game.
That's game.
Game over, game over.
Official call.
Yeah, you don't need to call me. It's a point system. 7 points.
You play points?
Yeah, it's a point system. Yeah.
Eh, nag-timeout nila.
Timeout, White.
Time out, White. Time out, White. Time out.
Kailangan is point system kasi, point system.
Yeah, kahit sila, they need points. Kailangan hindi sila naglakan ng marami. Para pumasok sila.
Mark, come on.
That's why we need that.
Nahihirapan na pumasok doon.
Jose, ano? Jose.
Dumukot!
Oh.
Ruel! Wala pa rin. Ow! 20 seconds. 25 foul. Ryan Powell. 45. 6 seconds.